Finding the best overlanding gear is essential. They play a significant role during your overlanding trip by providing you with the much-needed comfort, convenience, and protection. Besides, the last thing you want is gear that malfunctions, resulting in a troublesome situation. Proper overlanding gear will make your life easier on those adventures by providing convenience and letting you be more self-sufficient. Only the best overlanding gear will be your best friend in the most challenging situations, far from modern amenities. Therefore, you need to be careful while choosing those essentials. But don't you worry, because in today's video, we'll be discussing the top 10 best overlanding gear picks.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
The possibility of getting hurt and the necessity of a proper survival medical kit can't be ignored during overlanding trips. And that's why today our list starts with the SurviveWear Survival Medical Kit, a perfect first aid kit to keep in your trunk during your adventure. Having a 600D polyester rip-resistant build, the carrying bag of the first aid kit is durable and waterproof, which can easily withstand the pressure of your extreme trips. With more than 100 first aid supplies, including a premium knife, multi-function paracord bracelet, and an emergency flashlight, it'll save you from the most diverse situations. That said, the SurviveWear Survival Medical Kit comes with fantastic versatility, more than 100 labeled medical supplies for convenience, and is mold compatible, which makes it an ideal first aid kit for overlanding. Improve your hauling experience through the most rugged trails and hills with the Warn Xeon 10S. It's a fantastic winch to give you the proper pulling power no matter how steep the trail is. The 12-volt electric winch can be mounted on your overlanding vehicle, and it boasts of a 100-foot synthetic rope with a pulling capacity of 10,000 pounds. The winch can pull you out of adverse situations without breaking a sweat. With its 409 amp draw capability, you'll have enough power for up to 10,000 pounds of load. Thus, with a long premium-grade rope, 4.8 feet per minute of pulling capacity, and fantastic drawing power, the Warn Xeon 10S becomes an excellent winch for overlanding adventures. Lifting all the gear out of your vehicle can be very tiring for your body. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong chair makes your body feel appreciated and relaxed during those extreme trips. When it comes to building, the robust camping chair is made out of powder-coated steel and 600D polyester fabric to keep you covered with both stability and comfort. The King Kong chair comes with adjustable armrests and cup holders and side pockets. The chair will provide you with convenience and adequate storing space. All said, with a durable build, comfortable fabric, impressive convenience, and a shoulder carrying bag, the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong chair makes your overlanding trips more pleasant. Recharge yourself with the taste of jaw-dropping meals even in the most extreme situations with the Everest 2X, a sleek and compact stove to carry on your adventures. The Everest 2X boasts 2 aluminum-made burners with a total cooking power of 40,000 BTUs per hour, which will make your cooking process faster than ever. Plus, with 215 square inches of cooking area, you'll be provided with more than enough cooking space. And to ensure your maximum convenience, the stove includes a regulator adapter for a 1-pound propane cylinder. In conclusion, the Everest 2X will be a fantastic choice for your overlanding trip with its vast cooking space, incredible cooking power, and convenient features. No matter if the purpose is to enjoy a chilling cold drink or keeping your foods fresh, the YETI Tundra Haul will have your back. With a roto-molded construction and strong arm handle, the cooler can easily withstand the rigors of your off-trail overlanding trips. Not only that, as the name refers, you can haul the cooler through any rough terrain thanks to its solid, never-flat wheels. Featuring permafrost insulation along with a cold lock gasket, the cooler will lock the cold in, keeping up to 45 beer cans and other items chilled no matter what. Overall, amazingly rugged construction, lip grip handles, heavy-duty rubber latches, and perfect insulation technologies combine to make the YETI Tundra Haul an excellent choice for overlanding. Next up on our list, we have the Garmin Overlander, a strong and reliable GPS device to keep you on track no matter wherever you are. With GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo sensors, you'll be updated about your pinpoint location, while topographic maps of the Americas will help you get the lay of the land. It comes with a 7-inch multi-touch display, which has a resolution of 600p with a TFT color panel that'll give you a clean, clear, and colorful output on the go. Furthermore, being MIL STD810 drop rated and with dust protection of IP5X, it can easily handle the maximum pressure of your overlanding trips. That said, with rugged construction, sensors, and powerful navigating capabilities, the Garmin Overlander is your all-terrain navigator and an excellent choice for your overlanding trip. Give your overlanding vehicle the much-needed jump starts with the Noco Boost Pro GB150, a powerful car jump starter that'll help you prevent unwanted situations during your adventure. This ultra-portable jump starter weighs only around 6 pounds. It's capable of starting up to 9-liter gasoline engines and 7-liter diesel engines. With an 88 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, the jump starter delivers you up to 3,000 amps of peak power to reanimate your dead battery. Additionally, the jump starter works as a power bank to keep your smartphones, laptops, and other electronic devices charged. Plus, a flashlight comes with it, delivering you up to 500 lumens of brightness. To conclude, with an impressive amount of starting current, adequate battery, and 3 hours of fast charging capability, the Noco Boost Pro GB150 becomes an ideal choice to keep on your overlanding gear picks. The Jackery Explorer 1500 portable power station packs an incredible amount of energy to electrify your overlanding adventure. The Explorer 1500 boasts an 1800 watt battery with a capacity of 1534 watt hours, which will back up your heavy electronic devices for a commendable amount of time. With 3 110-volt pure sine wave rated AC outlets, a USB-C port, 2 USB-A ports, and a 12-volt 10-amp car port, you can easily power up 7 of your electronic devices simultaneously. You'll be getting a fast recharging efficiency to juice up this power station in just 6 hours. And for the maximum solar charging efficiency, the power station features Solar Peak technology that can recharge your power station up to 80% within just 4 hours. All in all, with fantastic power delivering capabilities, multiple outlets, and the Solar Peak fast charging technology, the Jackery Explorer 1500 portable power station lets you enjoy your overlanding trip to its peak. Increase your self-sufficiency to the peak with the Jackery SolarSaga 100-watt solar panel, a fantastic way of going green, and utilize the Jackery Explorer 1500 power station. Featuring 2 integrated kickstands, the solar panel can be easily set up just within a few seconds. The foldable solar panel also comes with a TPE rubber handle for maximum portability. Being covered with monocrystalline silicone solar cells, the solar panel has an amazingly high energy conversion rate that gives you up to 23% more efficiency than its peers. All said, an impressive power conversion rating, IP65 rated water resistance, and great versatility makes the Jackery SolarSaga 100-watt an ideal choice for a solar panel. Finally, first place on our list, we have the Thule Tepui Explorer Kukanam 3, a perfect rooftop tent to have a good night's sleep after a hectic day of overlanding. Being made of 600D 260G poly cotton blend, the Explorer Kukanam 3 can endure the elements of any season and climate. In addition to that, you'll be provided with a high-density foam mattress for extra comfort. Furthermore, the vast interior has headroom of 52 inches and can accommodate up to 3 people, while the mesh panels will ensure maximum ventilation and airflow. Overall, with the comfortable sleeping area, well-ventilated interior, and any season-compatible build materials, the Thule Tepui Explorer Kukanam 3 perfectly makes its rightful place on this list. So that was our list for the top 10 best overlanding gear picks. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. And please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.